exploring the multidisciplinary nature of environmental studies. Environmental studies integrates multiple fields: biology, chemistry, geology, ecology, sociology, and economics. These disciplines combine to provide a comprehensive perspective. Together they address environmental challenges holistically. Environmental researchers use scientific methods, social science insights, and policy analysis to address complex challenges such as climate change and sustainability. Multidisciplinary approaches foster balanced solutions: human well-being and ecological needs, conservation efforts and community involvement, innovative solutions through collaboration, sustainable future outcomes. Multidisciplinary environmental studies, essential for creating innovative, holistic solutions for a sustainable future. Discover more about how different fields come together to protect our planet through environmental studies.